What's up?
What's going down? It's Daniel.
It's Tita.
And today we feel like creating something.
Yes.
Today we're in the kitchen. We're in the kitchen with Daniel and Tita, and we're gonna make poor man chili.
Poor man. Why people call it poor man chili?
Because it's like a cheat.
It's like a.
It's not like a high. You know, they put in all the quality ingredients.
Yeah.
But we're using not a lot of ingredients, but it's cheap to make.
It's something that
it's not. It's easy.
It's a meal, but it's easy.
It's easy to make. It's not difficult.
It's not difficult.
It's not difficult.
So what we got? What are we gonna put in it?
So when you're making pork man chili,
take note, people. Take note.
We're doing ground beef.
Yep.
We got some jalapenos
and serranos.
Serrano.
I can't pronounce it either.
We got some onions.
Chopped onions.
Some garlic.
Some bell pepper.
Some bell pepper I already cooked. I made an omelet this morning.
Yes, he did. He didn't give me none.
You know, some onion powder. You know what? This is a lot. Let's just show them what this is right here. All that. You got your
garlic, salt, parsley, paprika.
You got some corn.
Got some chicken broth. Tomatoes.
And black beans. Pepper.
The grinder one.
You know what I mean? And you gotta add some salt as well. You know, the stove and start making it for you. Let's get it popping. Set that timer. I put it a little when I do the joint. I put it a little above medium because I want that to get a little high. You know what I'm talking about? A little high. Got that oil. We have our oil inside of a Moscato bottle. You know what I'm saying? You don't know about that. What you know about that, Tita?
Oh, it's all about Moscato in this house. It's the only alcohol that comes in.
We don't drink alcohol. We drink Moscato. Let that warm up, and when we heat that warm up, Tita slicing up her green bell peppers and the onions right there, and then when we come back, we'll have all that. We'll show you that, and we'll get the meat all put inside, and we'll, ground up and everything. Poor man chili. All right, now that you got all your ground beef ground up, and you got your what chopped up?
I have serrano, jalapeno, and green bell pepper. Everything's chopped, nicely chopped up.
Go ahead, dump all that in there. All that in there. So we can get the flavor. You want the flavor of the jalapeno, the green bell pepper and onions to mix in with the
serrano.
Yeah, with the meat and all that stuff. Yeah. Oh.
See how that it looks getting very colorful. At the end, you guys are gonna have
Chef Tita
and Chef Daniel's colorful poor man's chili.
Let me show them so far. Get a close look. This is poor man chili
it's very healthy.
Poor man chili is another thing because it don't take a long time to make.
Nope.
Very simple. When you're done with the rounding your meat up and adding the seasoning in, you're pretty much damn near done. With some seasoning.
Yes.
Now we'll have with the seasoning. Let's get a little bit of that salt over there. I didn't put it with the mix. A little bit of salt.
Very little. There.
That's it.
That's it, because everything else is salty.
Yes.
The meat, people, has its own salt.
Yep.
Don't forget.
Black.
Ground pepper.
Parsley flakes. Of garlic salt. That's it. A little bit of onion powder. Paprika. Chili powder.
Yes.
Gotta have your chili powder.
Got to.
Can't have chili.
And a little bit of spice.
Without chili powder.
That's too much.
Never too much. And then put the garlic in there a little last. That much garlic. Boom.
Garlic's good for you, so.
You should have that nice onion. Let me see that.
Yeah.
Forgot one thing. You gotta get this in here.
What is that?
Well,
oregano.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
It's good with all of the meats.
Yeah, you can never go wrong with some oregano. See that? You can stir this up real good.
Stir it up.
Oh.
Stir it up.
I love how you stir it up.
Stir it up.
I love how you stir it. Oh, look at that. Look at the color of the juices in there and everything.
Look at that. Those onions are doing its magic.
Now we're gonna drain this. Get all the extra juices from the ground beef out of there. Stir up a little bit more, and then we're gonna start the process.
Yep.
Combining all the rest of the flavors. Y'all ready? All right. Now this part we're gonna combine everything. This chili does not take a lot to do. It's easy. All right. Get some more olive oil into the pan, just a little bit. Okay, pour all that meat in there. All right. Starting to cook up again. This is the fun part. We buying beans, y'all. This is $1. Get your black beans. Okay. Easy. Easy to do. More. 2 cans of black beans. What tomatoes? You got any tomatoes?
Yeah. Just right there.
Get some tomatoes. You know what I mean? Hold on, listen. Focus. There you go. Easy. Get some corn.
Yellow corn, white corn, whatever you prefer.
It looks crazy right now, don't it? It looks crazy. All right, what else we put in there?
We put in like half a teaspoon of chicken broth. You could do the tomato or the regular chicken stock. And last but not least, el pato.
A little bit of pato. Boom. All you gotta do now is mix it all together. It looks crazy. I'm gonna tell you like this. You're gonna put a lid on it and let it boil for about 5-10 minutes. Let me get y'all close up. Look at that. That's poor man chili. That's how it looks when it's all ready to go. You got your ground beef, you got your black beans, you got your tomatoes, you got your corn, the seasoning, all that deliciousness in one pot. A special guest that's gonna test it for us. Let's see if this poor man chili is good or not. Oh my goodness, look at that, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. The juices. Oh. I want y'all to see this. Oh.
Oh my God.
My God. I'll get a little bit of that juice because that one has a little top it off. Oh. See that? Poor man chili. With some cheese. Dusty, you want cheese?
Cheese and sour cream.
Alright, that's how you gotta do it. Y'all gotta put it in nice. My God. A little bit. Right there. Oh, that's sexy. That's it right there. Okay. Yep. And there I go. That's very simple. Very simple. Poor man chili.
And you could have combined it with anything.
Come on, y'all. Look at that. That's delicious. That's poor man chili. Not hard. Probably like 15 minutes. 15 minutes, y'all. 15 minutes.
This looks delicious.
Looks delicious. Okay. You want to see the face? Back up just a little bit, Tester. Okay. Let's stick the bowl out for me real quick. Ooh.
Ready?
Tester. Speak out loud too. How it tastes.
Was it
Like
good?
the sound. And you hear the crunchiness of the corn.
That's poor man chili.
Delicious.
Delicious.
The salsa tops it off, and the cheese. I can't talk right now. Then I'm gonna eat. This is delicious.
All right.
It's always good.
So y'all, we're gonna make some. We're gonna make
Dish.
We're gonna do a couple more bowls and get.